Here at Singapore, with this Embraer 195E2 behind us, you can see the Pratt Whitney GTF engine powering it. And in Singapore particularly, the GTF is a huge part of Pratt Whitney's plan to get aircraft back up into the air after the incidents and the AOGs on the PW1000 family, particularly the 1100G. And in Singapore, the company is expanding the use of robotic and automated systems to make that possible. They've already increased the throughput of engines going through their MOU facility here in Singapore by 40% just through the use of innovative robotic systems and expansion of the footprint there. So in future, you'll probably see more automated assembly of things like the high pressure compressor core and maybe even the LP system, including the LP turbine in future, on the expanding use of automated systems here in this country and elsewhere throughout the MRO network that Pratt is developing.